The Funding for Lending scheme is all about the banks and the government working together. And the objective is to make cheap finance available to businesses. Not money available to businesses that aren't going to be viable, but cheap money so that businesses actually believe now is the best time for them to borrow and to invest. Yeah, the Funding for Lending scheme was met with some pessimism, if you like, at the outset, some scepticism. And in fact, how it's worked out is that it's been very, very successful. We as a bank, just in the first 2 months of this scheme, have lent over £1 billion to businesses up and down the country. So it's been an exceptionally important intervention by the government and the banks to get cheap money to businesses for them to invest.
Romy Roosters began as an online business. I have a long history in butchery and farming, 3 generations. And as that grew quite quickly for us over the last couple of years, we decided we wanted to build a farm shop and put a bistro within the farm site. So we needed the finance to sort of get that going. The problem we had is I'm only 26 and brother's only 23, and as partners in quite a fast growing business, not many banks really want to stand behind you at a young age with not a lot of assets behind you and stuff. So the Funding for Lending scheme, you know, without that we would have never been able to do what we've done. We saved the setup fee, which would have cost us £7,000 or £8,000 at the start to get going, so that's a massive, as a business that's growing this quickly, cash flow can sometimes be a bit of an issue, so it was a real help to us. And the actual cost of borrowing on a monthly basis with interest rate stuff is much better than most other banks were offering, so it's really sort of helped us.
As a bank, NatWest and Royal Bank have lent just over £1 billion in the first 2 months of the Funding for Lending scheme. That's up and down the country. We've been encouraging businesses to come to us to borrow at what I've seen as the cheapest finance in my 40 years in banking.
We built a brand new farm shop and a brand new bistro, which the building that we're sat in at the minute was just a cattle shed. So it's allowed us to convert this and create the building what we're in. And give us the facilities and machinery that we needed to expand the business. It's been massive because there's not much like this around here in the area, and the local community in Pendle especially are quite supportive of local agriculture. So we've sort of given them a place to come and buy local food from, but also given other local retailers a place to come and sell from. So it's been a real good buzz for the area.
The solution for the economic situation we're in at the moment is with everyone. It's with the politicians, it's with the media, it's with the businesses, it's with the banks, it's with everybody working together. And there's one word at the centre of this, and that's confidence. We need confidence back in businesses in the high street so they can invest. And at NatWest and Royal Bank, we're doing all we can to make cheap money available to businesses. We're doing all we can to recreate the trust between the banks and the businesses and look at our own culture. So we're doing all we can just to get the confidence back into the economy. I think we'll know we turn the corner when all our customers are saying, actually, you know, working with my bank is now an enjoyable exercise all over again. I'm not sure we can expect the media tomorrow to say the banks have all got it right. I'm not sure we can expect the politicians to say tomorrow we've all got it right. So we have to work with our customers, and our customers will be the measure as to when our trust is now re-established. To find out more information about the Funding for Lending scheme, or actually anything to do with NatWest or Royal Bank, look at our website, look at the natwest.com or the rbs.co.uk websites, and look at the business pages there, and you'll see all you need to know.